Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix lines on AOC monitor screen. So if you have vertical or horizontal lines, this will solve your issue. So go to your computer, right click it, and then go to the display settings. After that you'll see your display. So this is my display, and if I scroll down, basically I will see the display orientation, and if I scroll down a little bit more I will see advanced display settings. Click on that one and you will see the hertz. Click display adapter properties, then click on monitor and select lower hertz and see if that helps. If that doesn't help, you may try to reset your HDMI cable or display port cable. So you'll find right here and make sure it sits tight in the monitor, and also check on the computer if that cable is connected properly. After that, what you can do is basically by going to OSD and resetting your monitor. So go to the extra with the arrows, as you can see like that, then confirm it and use the arrows to go reset the monitor like that and see if that helps. If that doesn't help, you can unplug your monitor for 30 seconds, wait it, and plug it back again. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.